हाय, AdWords in हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we learn about the different keyword match types and learn how to set up keywords. Keywords play an important role in ensuring that the right customers get to see your ads. Let's start by looking at the various keyword match types and understanding how they work. There are four main match types in your keywords. Broad match will trigger your ads on relevant variations of your keywords, even if these terms aren't in your keyword lists. They're the default option in your AdWords account and don't have any special symbols or characters in them. Broad match modifier shows ads on searches that contain the modified term or its close variations. For example, women's hats will show the ad for hat for women. The order of the modified terms doesn't really matter. So plus women plus hat is the same in terms of ad serving as plus hat plus women. Broad match modifier will narrow down your searches compared to broad match, but it could help you get more relevant traffic. Phrase match will show ads on searches which contain your keyword phrase or its close variant. For example, women's hats in phrase match will show the ad for a search like buy women's hats, but will not show it for hats for women. Exact match will show ads on searches that are the exact keyword term and close variations of that term. Exact match women's hats will show an ad only for women's hats. A search query like buy women's hats will not show the ad. This is the most restrictive keyword match type, and you may not receive many clicks or impressions, but you're likely to have a higher CTR here since the query is exactly same as your keyword. To add keywords to your AdWords campaign, log into your account and open up any ad group within which you would like to add the keywords. Head into the Keywords tab and click on the plus keyword button. You can now enter one keyword per line to add here and click on Save. You can also edit any keyword once you add it by clicking here. You can edit the match type by selecting the drop-down or by manually adding the symbols. As a best practice, you can have 5 to 20 relevant keywords per ad group. Once your keywords have received adequate clicks and impressions, you can head into the search terms report to see the user searches which triggered the ad. In order to see which keyword was triggered by the query, simply add a column for the keyword and you will see the same. If you see any search terms which are irrelevant to your business, but for which ads are being shown at the moment, you can add them as negative keywords. Negative keywords let you exclude search terms from your campaigns. They can be added at an ad group or campaign level and have the applicable broad, phrase, and exact match types. It's important to note here that negative keywords won't exclude close variations, so you need to add all variations of the keywords that you would like to exclude in your negative keywords list. You can add negative keywords by going to the negative keywords sub-tab within your keywords tab and click on the plus keywords red button at the campaign or ad group level. Add the keywords you would like to exclude and save. If you would like to know more about keyword match types and best practices, please refer to the Help Center. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content.